Hello and welcome to the Power Bank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the LK 4-in-1 wireless charging station, which is a charging station created especially with Apple products in mind, such as the iPhone, iWatch, iPods and the Apple Pen. And it's a type of the charging station which every product has its place. So you put the iPhone here, the iWatch, AirPods and the iPen. All of them have their own slots and all of them will be charging wirelessly. So you can also charge other products from other brands, such as Samsung or something like that, but you cannot be sure of the compatibility. For example, for Samsung, you can definitely charge the phone, but Samsung iWatches are not compatible with this product. So if you want to use this product for other products, please first check to make sure about the compatibility. So that being said, let's start by analyzing the box. So on the front of the product box, we can definitely see the product itself. Then we can see different charging values, the highest being 15 watts, as you can see here as well, which is a very good charging value for wireless charging. On this side here, we can see a more detailed sketch of where each product comes on the charging station, each having its own slot. You can see that the product also comes with a USB charging port. That's where you plug in the charging cable, and then it also has a light that comes on when your devices are charging, so that you can see that charging is working. On this other side, we can see some other features that this product has. It has a foreign object detection feature, which means that if you put something else other than intended in those slots, you will be able to tell, and the product will not charge them and it will alert you. And then you have over voltage protection and over current protection, both of which protect your devices from unexpected high values of current, and then over temperature protection as well. You can see there's some typos as well on the text, which is understandable for a company that produces these products in China and then delivers them to the United States. Other than that, here on the back side of the product, you can see some other information, such as input and output current values and some information about the manufacturer, and then what type of adapter you need. So if you want to use the fast charging feature, you will need an adapter that comes with Quick Charge 3.0. But if you don't want to use fast charging and instead you want to go just for standard charging, then you would need a standard 5 volts 2 amp adapter that you should connect to the charging station. So that's all the main information that we can gather from the box. Let's have a look inside the box and see what we have. Alright, so first item out of the box is the warranty. You can see it here in multiple languages, which is always very useful to have for any product that you purchase. Here we have a user manual with more schematics on how to use the product. So for charging an Apple Watch, you will need to install the charging cable as presented here, and also the charging cable for the Apple Watch is not provided, so you'll need to get your own watch. Here we have some more information about product specifications, and here is some more details about what the indicator light means. And this is a card with more instructions about how to use the product and what type of devices you can use with this product. And here it seems that we have an actual charger. To be honest, I wasn't expecting the product to come with its own charger. I was under the impression that you'd have to get your own, and which is an unexpected pleasant surprise from my point of view. Difficult to see exactly what values are because the writing is quite small. It's a charger with 3 amps 5 volts 3 amp output, which is a fast charger. So all in all, I think this is a very nice unexpected surprise. Put it aside for now. And here we have a charging cable, which is an USB-A to USB Type-C charging port. You will use the charger and the cable to connect the device, and then you will be able to charge your products. I'll put them aside for now. Let's now look at the product itself. Alright, so this is the charging station. As you can see, this is the place for charging the phone, the watch. Here are the iPods, and here is the socket for the Apple Pen if you use such a device. I'd say it's rather sleek and elegant with this black plastic. Let's have a look at the bottom here. Here we have some more details about the charging specification of this product. And then we have here a hatch, and if we open it, we can see here inside, this is where you would install your iWatch cable. So you would put the cable here, it will then go through this hole here, and then on the back side up to here, and then here you would put the charger. Of course, the charging cable for the watch is not included as mentioned before, so that should be provided by you. And here on this side we see that the product has a vent, so anytime that it's heating up, then I will use this vent to cool down. Here we have the charging light. It will light up when the product is connected. And of course at the back side we have the USB Type-C charging port. So I have here a cable that is already connected to a charger. Let's just plug it in and see if it works. Yeah, the light lights up immediately after I plug it in. Turns green. Unfortunately, I don't have any Apple products that I might be testing with this product right now. So yeah, this is the overview and the unboxing of the LK100 charging station. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and if you have any type of questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time.